Hey guys, this is my first UVDTF pre-orders wholesale drop. Unboxing the pre-orders part 1. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe and like this post. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process of pre-orders. So once I receive the UVDTF, as you can see, I'm taking them out, unboxing them. Now, if you guys are wondering what a wholesale pre-order drop is, you guys basically get all my UV wraps and jumbo decals at wholesale price. So we are a wholesale vendor. So we do this special pre-orders every 4 to 6 weeks. So basically you guys are going to be getting your wholesale pricing. Usually you have to order 100 sheets to get wholesale pricing, but we are doing a special now every 4 to 6 weeks. Is a pre-order drop. So if you guys want to check us out, we have Instagram, Screen Print Vendor, and TikTok, Screen Print Vendor. If you guys need a wholesale vendor, you guys can message me on Instagram or email us. So I'm now just showing you guys all the designs that everybody got for the wholesale pre-order drops. So our pricing is $2 a sheet, you guys. $2 for the 16-ounce UV wraps and $1 for the jumbo decals. So in this drop, a lot of you guys got a lot of cute Halloween designs, some cute nurse designs, just a ton of cute trending designs. The cool thing about the wholesale pre-order drop is I put over 100 designs, so you guys have so many designs to choose from. Amazing. The quality is amazing. We do offer transparent backing, so for this drop we did a transparent backing drop. We do offer the white and transparent backing. As you can see, look how amazing the colors are. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys had jumped on the Halloween, we just did a pre-order drop number 2 for Halloween. I'll be posting that soon, but right now this was our first drop for Halloween. So we did have UV wraps and DTF shirt transfers as well. So we have some really good pricing. So this was just an idea, you guys, of the unboxing, me showing you guys the UV wraps. Look how cute this skeleton one is. A lot of Nightmare Before Christmas, Ghostface. So we did get a lot of those picked out, a lot of orders for those. So those are trending, especially the Nightmare Before Christmas, and a lot of other designs. This one had like a pumpkin with the castle, super cute. We had some Ghostface, we had the scary team as well. We also had this one. It's super cute. It has like the Ghostface and the bats on it. You guys want to grab on some of our pre-order drops, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Screen Print Vendor. We are doing these drops every 4 to 6 weeks. Make sure you take advantage of your deals. These are jumbo decals. So if you guys are wondering what are jumbo decals is just basically one design for around 4 by 3 inches, and it fits right in front of the cup. These are jumbo decals, and these only go for $1, you guys. So they're really good deals. If you're looking to grab on some jumbo decals, make sure to check out our pre-order drops every 4 to 6 weeks. We had a lot of cute designs. So all the designs you guys see here are people that ordered from pre-orders. So these were a lot of the popular designs. So we did get a lot of the ghost face, some cute Halloween pumpkin ones, some snitches get stitches. That one was pretty cool. One of my favorites, actually. We got I Myself is Strange and Unusual. That one is so me. I love that one. Okay, so I usually just lay everything out, you guys, and then I start packing orders. Don't mind the mess. We had so many designs, so many things having to go out. So this is just a small process of us just getting orders ready to ship. Some of those prints you see, their designs. Just want to see more videos like this. Like this video, comment, let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys for watching.